All right, it's your girl, Steph Perez, just checking in for the day. Today is April 2nd, 2026, and I'm showing up to help some more women that want to learn how to start making money online in the next 30 days. So yesterday I made $507 plus inside of my business. My biggest income stream is with a community that teaches 20 different ways to make money online. And I say plus because I have other affiliate offers and I make money from pretty quietly behind the scenes. Oftentimes I don't even know they're happening until I log in and see the commissions. So yesterday was a $507 plus day. I'm going to break down exactly how I do that as an affiliate. But most importantly, I'm going to talk about the only 3 steps that you want to focus on if you want to start making money for yourself in the next 30 days. And no, you don't have to do what I do. All right, so let me explain how I do it, and then I'll break down exactly the things that you've got to consider if you want to start making money in the next 30 days for yourself. All right, so as an affiliate, I make recommendations of products and opportunities and services that I believe in. And everything that I recommend are things that I'm using in my own business on a daily basis. I make the recommendation, someone says, I want to use that too, or I want that too, or I want in that community. And when they purchase, I earn a percentage. With the community that I'm going to talk to you today about, it's a community that teaches people 20 different ways to make money online. And when someone decides to come into that community, the investment is $597 to get access to all of the information, to get access to all of the mentorship, to get access to the community, to get access to updates. It's just phenomenal. But when someone says, that is what I need access to, I earn $507. When someone buys, the money goes instantly into my bank account. I share that because I want to paint a visual around how fast this can happen for you if you want it to happen fast for you. All right, now as a disclaimer, I've been online for over 18 years, and 14 of those years I've been boss free only because I've learned how to earn online. So I literally dedicate my days to sharing the information with good people like you on how you can get started with making money online as well. Now, the really good news is if you don't want to sell, you don't have to. If you don't want to show your face or do videos or go live or build a brand, or you don't have an existing audience, none of that stuff matters. If you don't want to use social media, you don't have to. Out of the 20 ways that we show you how you can start making money online, there are ways that don't involve any of those things. And we have many success stories of people that have gotten started and have made money within their first 30 days, who either struggled prior or who came in and knew nothing about making money online and had never made a dime online before. All right, so for me as an affiliate on a daily basis, I have very simple things that I do. And when I do those things, it creates the awareness of what I have to offer. And a percentage of people will always say yes and buy. Like, that's just how it works. A percentage that see my content, a percentage that read my emails, a percentage that join me live will always buy. And so I just do those things on a daily basis, and a percentage buy. Yesterday was a 507 plus day. There were some days where I earned $1,000 or $1,500 or $2,000, right? Again, it just varies. And I share that because on a daily basis, I want to be transparent about what I'm doing, what is working, so that you have confidence that what I'm sharing with you can work for you as well. All right, so let's get used to carrying the bag for yourself. Would love to be able to help you start making money and seeing real results for yourself over the next 30 days. So your very first step is that you've got to decide upon an income stream. Now, the good news is this is not about you trying to build a big, robust business. This is not about funnels and websites and niching and avatars and ideal buyer, ideal client, problem solving. It's not about any of those things, all right? That can take you a long, long time. There are a lot of people that go down that path. They look up, they've been doing this for a year and they haven't made any money. That's not what I want for you, and that's not how it happened for me. I made money within 3 days of getting started when I was brand new working full-time as a nurse, all right? And it's because I focused on a single income stream. I literally focused on making money. Everything else happened as I started to make money. All right. So for you, it's picking an income stream. Now, inside of our community, we give you 20 different income streams that you can choose from. So you can either decide to fast pass your way to all of this, or you can decide to go out there and free 99 it by going to Google or going to YouTube and looking up all this information. Now, I'll give you just one quick warning where a lot of people go wrong. And again, I've been in the game for 18 years. I've worked with a lot of people. I've had a lot of conversations right? And I know this from experience, is that a lot of people choose wrong. They stay stuck. They stay spinning their wheels. They stay spending money they don't need to spend because they choose wrong. And more often than not, they choose their income stream based upon how much money someone is making. So they might hear someone saying, I'm making $10,000 a month, right? And choose the income stream based upon the kind of money someone is making. Let me ask you something. If you were at a picnic and you heard a guy talking about making $200,000 as a mechanic, right? Would you say, oh, well, I want to become a mechanic because he's making $200,000 a year? No, you would not. You would likely go out there, maybe find someone that's still making that kind of money, but in a profession that makes a lot more sense for you. Y'all, the same thing is true when it comes online. There are, again, we offer you 20 different ways to make money online because we know not all personality types are going to be suited for the exact same income streams. There are some people that don't want to show their face. There are some people that don't want to do videos. There are some people that don't want to sell a thing. There are some people that don't want to use social media, right? There are some people that don't want to build a brand or build an audience, and they just want to learn how to make money, right, from the quiet place of their home, right, using the internet. That is what we help people do. So people that have bigger personalities like me and that love to sell and love to do this kind of stuff, there's an income stream for you. And for people that are more introverted, there's an income stream, right, or income streams for you as well. The way that we help you pick correctly is that we don't just give you the income streams, but when you get started inside of our community, we give you a quiz. And you take a 5-question quiz, and at the end of the quiz, it's going to tell you the income stream that matches your answers. Okay, so step number 1, you got to choose your income stream. You can decide upon the hard way, going out there, right, and researching a bunch of information. And if you've likely already done that, you know where that's gotten you, and that's why you're watching this video, right? And if you've yet to get started, I'm here to tell you that you can decide to shortcut, right, all of this by just taking a different path that never existed before. I wish this community and this path existed before because it would have helped a lot more people get started with making money faster. All right. Anyone can invest in programs and courses. All right. But it takes structure to really start making money quickly. And that is what our community gives you. So once you've decided upon your income stream, all right, in our community, once you've taken that quiz or you've decided upon the income stream that you want to start with, you go directly to that module and you learn how to set that income stream up. Okay. Now, if you go out there and start Googling this or YouTubing this and you decide upon an income stream, the likelihood is there's going to be a cost to pay at some point. All right. Or you're going to continue researching how to get that income stream set up. And you're going to have a lot of mixed information, mixed advice, right? And there's going to be a lot of confusion. That's just the way it is. Inside of our community, you're learning your chosen income stream from someone that's already successfully making money with that income stream. And you're being guided step by step in a very, very organized way. So that enables you to be able to get your income stream set up in just a few days, positioning you to start making money. I was just in our community earlier this morning and I saw 2 success stories, right? One was posted like 14 hours ago and another one was posted, again, just a few hours ago, where one person in the past 6 weeks secured 16 UGC gigs. That's one of the income streams that we teach you. Right? UGC is where you create content, right, for companies. They use your content in their advertising and their marketing, and they pay you to simply create the content. And that content is like pictures and really, really short videos of their products, right? Again, where sometimes you don't even have to show your face. You don't have to have an audience. You don't have to build a brand. And again, 6 weeks, 16 gigs. And another woman just got started this past weekend. So we're at Thursday today, got started less than a week ago, right? And was able to secure 6 gigs, right? In less than a week. We have so many success stories just like that. Why? Because we teach you, right, in an organized way, how to get that income stream set up in just a matter of days, not building a big, robust business, but how to get that income stream set up and then how to go out there and start making money. So step number 1, you got to choose your income stream. Just one income stream if you want to go fast, right? Step number 2, get that income stream set up. I want to share something that's really important. If you've been attempting to make money online for any length of time, you likely have heard people try to sell you their programs by saying things like, you got to invest in yourself. And while I've said that before over the years, it's not the truest statement. The way that you really got to look at this is like, if you're wanting to make money online and you've yet to be able to make money online, like you've been trying and you haven't been able to make money, or you've been researching and you're yet to get started, right? Right now, you're not making money. It means there are things that are holding you back. There are things that are stopping you. There are things that you simply don't know. There are steps, there are instructions, right? Like there are how-tos that you're missing right now. So when you decide to come into our community, what you're saying is that I'm willing to exchange $597 to give me the steps, to give me the instructions, right? To give me the proven path to get an income stream set up for myself so that I can successfully start making money from home/online. All right. So that's step number 2, giving yourself access to the information, the resources that you need to get that income stream successfully set up sooner versus later. All right. And then step number 3 is following a daily method of operation. So like, let's go back and use the example of the UGC, the women that secured those gigs within their first less than a week and within their first 6 weeks. Once they got their income stream set up, right, within that same module, they're being taught how to go out there and secure these UGC gigs. So on a daily or very, very regular basis, there are things that they are doing to continue to secure these gigs. As an affiliate marketer, there are things that I shared at the beginning of this video, right, that I do on a daily or very routine basis that help create the awareness about the things that I sell, right, and that a percentage of people that come across my information will buy. So no matter what income stream that you choose, after you get it set up, now you've got to have a daily method of operation that's going to allow you to continuously secure the bag. All right. So again, within our community, we give you 20 different ways to make money online, right? And affiliate marketing, UGC, and Amazon reviews are the income streams that over and over and over again have helped people come inside of our community and literally make money within their first 30 days. All right. And so day by day, I'm just going to show up here on YouTube, sharing and documenting my own journey for you, right? And also giving you the steps and letting you know exactly how you can get started if you've been out there, right, researching ways to make money for yourself. The biggest thing that I want you to walk away with from this video is that we have the success stories of people that come in here and are making money within 30 days. If you've been out there researching for longer than 30 days, if you've been out there struggling for more than 30 days, I just want you to know it's a little bit of tough love that from here moving forward, because you've gotten access to this information, you now have this knowledge, you know that this exists, deciding to struggle or deciding to stay on the outside looking in, like wondering if all of this can work for you, that remains a choice, right? Because now you know that a way exists where no matter how you want to make money, right, that there is a proven path to support you and that there are already people that have gone ahead of you that have come in here and that have started making money within their first 30 days. Some people have purchased multiple courses and multiple programs, and they did not have success until they came into our community. There are some people that haven't made $1 online, found our community, came inside, and even with lacking tech skills, right, were able to get set up and start making money within their first 30 days. So we literally give you everything that you need, from the 20 income streams to online business training to digital marketing training, from weekly mentorship to calls throughout the week that you can participate in, right, to added income streams that are being added all of the time, right, all kinds of things, right, so that you can truly be supported on this journey. I'm going to drop my information down below in the description if you would like to take a look at this. Now, when you get started, you're also going to have my mentorship. All right. If you want to, not everybody accepts it, right? But you will have someone here to answer your questions to help you with your startup. My biggest goals for each and every one of my customers is that you be one of these success stories that come in and start making money within 30 days. Not just because other people can do it, but because the path has already been laid out. The exact same steps that they've gone through are the exact same steps that you will have access to go through as well. None of this is mystery, right? None of this is mystical. It's all laid out. You don't have to figure out anything. Just follow the proven path of people that have already successfully made money in their first 30 days, right? Just follow this exact same path that they followed. That's what makes this so brilliant. So again, from here moving forward, it literally is a choice to stay struggling, to stay thinking you got to figure things out, and delaying the ultimate success that you want. So I'll drop the link down below in the description. I'll see you back tomorrow. I look so forward to celebrating your success and you being one of these success stories. And I look forward to receiving your text message as soon as you get started, because when you get started, you will receive a checklist from me. And in that checklist includes my business line where you can connect with me, where you can ask questions and ultimately get the additional support that you may need to help you in getting a very, very successful start. I'll see you back tomorrow. Bye-bye.